Hi, I'm Catherine Panko with a ChoreoKeeper quick tip. This quick tip is for you if you're interested in using ChoreoKeeper with a piece of music that's longer than 6 pages. I don't want it to be about me, I want it to be about the music, so I'm going to get out of the frame and keep talking. I've laid out the ChoreoKeeper so that you can easily see the music. If this were set up on a music rack, these clips would be working to hold up each trifold sheet protector. The numbered post-its show the order of these pages. You would play pages 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you would turn once for pages 5 and 6. Turn once again for pages 7, 8, 9, and 10. If for some reason you have only 9 pages, then you could just leave this last trifold sheet protector pocket empty, or you could even have it folded in for your 9-page piece of music. For an 8-page piece of music, I'm going to remove one of these inserted pages and renumber the rest of the pages. While I'm doing that, let me mention that ChoreoKeeper can be used with or without sheet protectors. Just because it includes the trifold sheet protectors does not mean you have to use them. Let me borrow some of these post-its, and then you can see what I'm talking about. With a piece of music that may be 7 or 8 pages long, you'd play pages 1 through 4, do 1-page turn for pages 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once again, if you don't have an 8th page in your piece, then you could just have it folded like that, or have it extended the full way and have that final pocket empty. Your music is going to drive what works best for you. There are some other possibilities for handling pieces greater than 6 pages, but I don't want to overwhelm with too many options. I hope that this is a good starting point and gives you some ideas for how you can work best with ChoreoKeeper and your music. If you'd like to see more about ChoreoKeeper, go to ChoreoKeeper.com. Thanks for watching.